And we are live on YouTube. Oh, my tick charts aren't available for some reason. Give me 1 second, guys. Not too sure why my tick charts kind of died out on me. But it is okay. Give me like 20 seconds. All right, guys, got my tick charts up and running. Let's go ahead and cover today's watch list. So we have GNPX. GNPX has a fast track design or fast track destination from the FDA. So there's a keyword FDA. We are going to keep GNPX on watch. GNPX is a medium float stock, gapping up with 2x relative volume. So we're going to keep this on watch. Now we have IMMX, currently our biggest gapper. Nice pivot low with the bottom there. Now pumping up. We would like to see it hold this trend line. Now, IMMX, shares shore pre-market key FDA destination. So they got an FDA grant rare, patriotic disease destination. So there's another FDA, there's another keyword. IMMX is currently gapping up with around 16 to 15 or 15 to 16x relative volume with a low float of 1 million. So this thing can move. We have CELZ. Now looking nice downtrend, looking for it to break. We have a nice double bottom there. Break the downtrend. We have back up to VWAP at 336. Shares of low float trading higher. Not seeing any company specific news, so I am going to keep that in mind. Since there's no news, there's no really catalyst for it to keep moving up. We have AFL. Secures $35 million deal. So that's why we're pumping. So let's see if we can hold this momentum throughout today. I'm not really too sure. I'm not seeing too much news. Hey man, what are you trading? Right now, I'm trading a couple different stocks, not really trading anything at the moment, going through my watch list. If you want to see my watch list more in depth, come over to the YouTube. Much easier experience. You can go to the YouTube link in my bio, or you can just, stay in here if you want. I mean, I suggest you guys come over to YouTube. It's much better. Then we have BLCT. BLCT, nice bottom. Shares are trading higher. The company announced it's received an acquisition offer for $3.70 a share. So we are not looking to buy this over $3.70. Over $3.70, we're not going to buy for BLCT. That is one that we're not going to watch. Thank you guys for the follow. Not a huge fan of this at the moment. Not a huge fan of anything. We're just going to be sitting on our hands waiting for the right opportunity. Again, our top stocks to watch are going to be GNPX and IMMX. We had the highest volume today on a 5-minute, which is green. That's good to know. Let's see if this can continue to move up. Not huge. We're going to be sitting on our hands a lot. We have around 25 minutes left till market open. We have IMMX still moving up. It looks like we are kind of topping out though. Potentially look for another pullback towards this trend line, maybe 20 EMA. I'm still changing my chart settings. Didn't save from last time, so. All right, there we go. Looks bearish. Oh, yeah, let me switch my screen for a sec. Flip me your video. Yeah, it does look pretty bearish. I mean, we're getting topping out. It seems like losing some volume. So I do think we're going to come back for IMMX. Potentially come back to this trend line. We'll have to see. But we popped. But we're continuing to move here. Volumes or times and sales are starting to. We'll have to see what happens, really. I mean, not really a huge fan. We have CELZ. AFLI is really choppy. Not looking to trade that pre-market. There was a pop in volume. We're up to 940, 140. I can't even talk right now. 194. There it is. GNPX is getting that regaining that 150 level, regaining that 157 level. Let's see if we can hold it here back in this trend line. Not really a huge fan of this now. Gonna go ahead and delete these. I would like to see a strong close above 160 for confirmation. A strong close above 160. Yes, also just waiting. Yep. Just waiting, just playing patient. Guys, the whole game, the name of the game is patience here. That's the whole name of the game. Trading's boring. Trading's hard. Josh is live now. We have IMIX that's absolutely ripping above the highs. I'm not looking to even buy IMMX. I mean, we have room all the way back up to, oh, well, we don't even have price targets for it. What? Oh, breaks over 163. I mean, again, we're going to have resistance at 750, 8 and 850. So those are the levels to watch out for. Those are all psychological resistance. We are at new all-time highs. Look, Tesla's crazy. Oh, yeah, Tesla's absolutely ripping. I think it's because of their earnings. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Gapping up over 10-something%, I believe. Almost 10%, 8%. Woo! What is going on? Tesla. Implied volatility is going to absolutely spike. I mean, holy shit. Tesla's absolutely moving. We had a nice flag right off the 9 EMA with record earnings, it looks like. So I think we're going to see a lot of Tesla's going to. I'm keeping Tesla on watch because Tesla's going to be very, very good.
Yeah, to really blow on up. It's going to blow on up.
I'm going to turn my music down. I swinged. Oh my god. What a. Oh, you swung very, very well. That was a great swing trade. You're going to be opening up with a lot of profit. Let's just say that. Good for you, my man. I'm happy for you.
It is one of the top stocks we're watching right out of the gate. Reasons that we just discussed. Number three, you're watching CEO Z. But here's the thing with CEO, there's no credible reason for this stock. There is no catalyst. There is no need.
IMMX still. I'm looking for a bigger pullback than this. I'm not a huge fan of it. Oh man. This is not a huge. There's not really anything at the moment that I'm watching. I'm watching Neo above 33. Yeah, Neo. I'm still holding Neo long term. Again, Tesla's absolutely cruising right now. Gapping up 8%. We have IMMX. IMMX is probably my top stock to watch. Yeah, I do want to see ISIG start to take over here. I want ISIG to start moving in, even though it's not really gapping up or anything. Please, you guys should answer me, please. I didn't really see what it was. Please, I wanted to join. Oh, you wanted to join the team? If you wanted to, I don't know what's going on. I just followed you. So if you want to join the team, you can go ahead and message me, or I'll message you. I didn't really see it earlier. But yeah, I'm listening to Alpha Day Trading. Josh Howerton inside of Alpha Day Trading. I'm another leader and mentor inside of chat, the crypto mentor. And trader. I'm becoming a trader. They've really helped me in my career. Again, if you guys want to come over to YouTube, I'll be doing a lesson later today on really anything you guys want. I can either do a live lesson for you guys, or I can actually take a lesson out of the lessons library if y'all are interested. So yeah, if you guys are looking to join a trading community, Alpha Day Trading is definitely the best one. I like Potter Stocks channel. Yeah, I like him as well. I haven't really I haven't really really dove into his I've really dived into his like courses, or if he has anything, because he shits on courses, he shits on communities, but he also hasn't really his community is also not that good at all. I mean, I'm in it right now. I'm watching it. He's on so full access 5-day. Let's see how much it is. Yeah, I mean, so $60 a month, but he's also, I don't know what really he's getting. But yeah, I like him as a person. But I'm not a huge fan of how he's advertising everything. Because he's getting people away from courses, and I think courses are probably the most undervalued aspect of any career in general. I mean, if you do your research on the course, you will be able to take a lot of value home. Not really seeing too many things step by step. Yeah, the education is not there for free. I mean, the education is definitely. I mean, yeah, they have a bunch of books that you can read. For Potter stocks, I mean, there's definitely there could be some improvement for
and focus from gamers AFI. So I do want to watch AFI today above 250. Ideally, what you want to see the stock stay above
yeah, I mean, there's some value here, but there's not a lot of free value. Whereas Alpha, we provide a ton of free value. The most free value that anybody. We could take all the free value that we provide and sell it for a couple $1,000s. But we don't because we're trying to clean up the trading community for other chat rooms and stuff. It's just not. GNPX still consolidating. IMMX still pulling back. I want to see a bigger pullback here. I'm not looking to buy at all right now. CLSZ, CLZ, CELZ, excuse me, is breaking the downtrend, not with a lot of volume though, which is unfortunate. Tesla still ripping up at 151,150. Whew. CRSP gapping up today. Excuse me. Gapping up. It's very choppy. I don't think it's gapping up CRSP. Why Tesla up 7 already? Tesla has really good news, really good earnings. Their deliveries top expectations, so they're doing amazing. They're going to report probably very, very good earnings, very, very good revenue. So that's why Tesla's moving. We have BEDU, BEDU. Not really liking it. Very choppy. There was IMMX. There was a nice close over the 90 EMA with the pop.
So we see great spirit. We have some interest. We have some strong body pressure. And we continue to compare that with the fact that we've seen a lot of dead cat bounces.
Will Neo run with Tesla? I don't think so. I'm not really too sure. Oh, I guess so. Neo is running with Tesla. Neo is running right now. Neo is gapped up. Is gapping up around 5%. So Neo is pumping up above 33. It's at 33.50 right now. So that's good for Neo. That's really good for Neo. Guys, come over to the YouTube. You can see my screen a lot better.
$9.88 to $10 on APLT. So I'm just curious to see what the stock does today. Whether it's a short, whether it's a long, I still think it's a stock we should keep on watch. As it's a stock that could move. It provides us with some easy, clean, nice.
GNPX, IMMX. There's the double top. There's a pullback. There's a bigger pullback inbound.
Watching today's options. Here's the thing. If you trade options, pick the option if they all just not have any opportunity whatsoever.
I'm not really a huge fan of anything at the moment. Thoughts on RKLB? Choppy pre-market, wouldn't trade it. I'd wait for a double bottom or a higher low on the daily before an entry. But not a huge fan that we've just kind of been dying off. BLCT. There's an increasing volume, GNPX. There's the pop. There was a pop up 161. We're back above this previous high. I like that close above. I want to see us hold this. I want to see us hold this level. Guys, we have 7 minutes left till market open. We're just XRP or H bar. I think both. XRP and H bar. There's the pullback back below. Not a huge fan of that. All the EV stocks are running right now. All of the EV stocks. We have Ride pumping. We have Neo moving. We have Lucid gapping up. Blink charging, gapping up a little bit. Tesla absolutely ripping. And Plug also ripping. So all of the EV sector is doing good. There was the rug pull for or the bull trap. Bear trap. I'm not a fan of GNPX already. I mean, that was not a good trade by him. Shiro Inu, I know that's definitely not. Definitely not. Again, we have that increasing volume to the downside for GNPX. I'm not going to take that. IMMX. There was the pump. It looks like we're getting back up to that 168 or 160. Can't talk. $6.86.87 level. Nice inverse head and shoulders pattern. Let's see if we can get a nice maybe a flag potentially. Let's see a pullback down to 670. I'm not really a huge fan of buying breakouts, so I'm not really going to buy it at the moment. Plus, we're 3 minutes into market open, so. There's the crack. Again, I'm just sitting on my hands waiting. There was not a good opportunity there. There was, but I didn't want to take it. That's why there was the fall break out of the previous high, pull back. So I do think we're gonna have a bigger move. I think we could pass that during market open, but not really a huge fan of it at the moment. So we're just sitting on our hands waiting for the right opportunity. Oh man, I didn't go to the gym today. Oh, hold Tesla. Oh yeah. How about Unity? Not too sure. Apple. I didn't even see that. I don't know. We made that double top. Got rejected. Not a fan of that. Not a fan of that at all. Looks like we might have run lower for Apple. We do have a gap to fill. Down at 165. Yeah, you hold Tesla. I mean, Tesla's doing ripping right now. Gapping up almost 100 points. So that's very good. All right. We have GNPX. We have a minute left till market open. Let's see what takes the volume. I do think it's going to be IMMX. That's the top stock to watch right out of the gate. We're pumping, making new all-time highs. We're at 7. Looking to find resistance at 7 here. So let's see what happens here. Now we're starting to get increasing volume on a lower spread. Looks like it might continue to come lower. Looks like a double top on the tick chart, but it's still cracking. We are live. IMMX is not getting halted. Excuse me. Looks like it's see if I can get in. Looks like it's getting halted. Let's see if I can get in. I won't be able to, I don't think. I won't be able to. I wasn't able to get in. IMMX halted to the upside, guys. Halted to the upside. So you can't have it be a stop order. It has to be a limit order. Yeah, your limit orders. I mean, the stop orders. You really don't want it to be You don't want it to be a limit order or a stop order. So I really don't want to put it in, which is unfortunate. We are halted at 9:30:25, so we're live at 9:35:25. That was a very quick pop. 70%. Boom, right there. 10% right there. Do you trade gold? No, I do not. Jump, my guy. I know. I was trying to get in. Couldn't get in. Unfortunate. It's all good though. It's all good. Looking forward to still holding. I almost got in. We have bids at 770, so that's good. Guys, should I say risk it for the biscuit and go ahead and put a limit or a stop limit order in? Or should I use a limit order? I don't know if I should use a stop limit or wait to put a limit order, potentially not get filled. They got an FDA patriotic or right now they're gapping up. Oh, it's not even showing up. Is it on the large cap? No. IMMX is not even showing up, but it's currently gapping up 116%. Might look to hop in here. I mean, should I risk it for the biscuit? You know, this might be a one and done trade. I might be done for the day after this, or I would be done for the day if I put a limit order and I got filled. Stops would be below the halt level. I would have to see where my fill would be. Let's say I would fill at 170. My fill would be at 180. I don't know if my stop would be at 180. Let's see where. It's around 1%. So my fill would probably be around 177. 177 would be where I'd placing my stops. 180 just got there for the first drug FDA approval. 180. Which one are you talking about? Are you talking about GNPX or BLCT? I'm not really too sure. I haven't really looked at the news. But we're going to be live here for IMMX in around a minute. We have pair halting. Pairs halting. Don't really see any therapeutics with buy rating announces price target of 12. So this is halted. Absolutely ripping yesterday or last week. So we're going to keep this on watch. You're going to be live here in like a couple minutes. All right, let's see if this can move. We're going to be live here in 20 seconds. 25. I only bought 0.5. Hey, it's all good. Wait, I'm confused on what you mean by 0.5. Let's see if we can get filled here. 2 seconds. Here we go. We are not live. Looks like BCSA is halted again. Or BCSA is halted as well. Very, very choppy. Not looking to trade it. But it is a new IPO, so. Pair. We have at 9:33:28. We're going to be live at 9:38:28. So we're going to be live here in around 2.5 minutes. CELZ is getting some action now. Not liking the song. Looking for a bullish consolidation here. We have Stella, what are you doing? Our pair is gonna be live here in around a minute. So pair is gonna be live here in around 20 seconds. We're gonna be live at 9:38:28. Not a huge fan of it. Not super explosive in the halt. Just no sellers. Live here in around 10 seconds for pair. Woo! People are already making money in chat. Awesome. Love to see it. Not liking it. Didn't gap up. Or it is gapping up, but not by a lot. So now we're going to go back to IMMX. IMMX. We're going to be live here at 9:40:25. So we have around a minute and a half. AFL, BLC. I'm deleting this off the watch list. Pair. Oh, their pair absolutely ripped. If you got in, that would have been a great trade. That would have been up 5% already. But you couldn't have known that. Again, IMMX is our top stock to watch. We're going to be live here at 9:40:25. So we have 1 minute remaining. You know, I trust IMMX. I trust it. Should I go ahead and... I'm gonna go ahead and put in my order for 220 777. Live here in 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. God damn. What was that? What? That fill was dog shit. That fill was terrible, guys. That fill was terrible. I'm glad I sold it. I'm glad I sold it. I'm glad I sold it for a very, very small loss. I didn't want to hold that because I got filled like I got filled like 70 cents above what I was at. My limit order, where did I get filled? I got filled all the way at 837. My limit order was all the way down at 777. I got filled 7% above my order. 7% above my order. Didn't even come down and hit it, so it just had to be above. All right. guys, that was very unlucky. Got filled with again, my order was at 777. I got filled all the way up at 836. Or no, I got filled at 837, excuse me. Yeah, 837 and 838. So that was an absolutely terrible fill by my broker. Not a huge fan of that, but again, that was the trade. I was able to only take a $3 loss on that. I'm surprised. I got filled all the way up here. I would be down currently like 40, 50 bucks, if not more. There was a nice double bottom. All right, guys, that was very unfortunate. That fill, if I got filled at my price, it didn't even come down and hit my fill price. I thought a stop order is if it comes down and hits my entry price, then it becomes a marketer. I guess that's a limit, but it won't fill me at that price or lower, so it's unfortunate, but so there's a reason for, so again, when you're doing the halt strategy, what I did do was have it in. I had a stop order. Go ahead and look. IMX to open doesn't tell me the stop. So it was a stop order, meaning that if it comes up and hits it, if it breaks above my level, breaks above my entry, I'm going to get filled. It's going to be a market order. Oh man, someone caught that for has 2,000 shares right now long on IMMX. Yeah, so I mean, right now, yeah, for these type of strategies, when you have limit orders in, again, there's limit orders and stop orders. So I thought, I was like, you know what? I have faith in this stock. This stock's been ripping up all pre-market. You know, ISIG was ripping up. Now, what if this took the cake? Still up 104%. Where you're gapping up at the top at one, or gapping up. Now I put a stop order in because I wanted to get filled because I thought we were going to get push up into a halt. So I put a limit order in, or a stop limit at 777. Looking forward to gap up, get filled, and continue to rip. That's not what happened. I got filled at 836, and then just started pulling back. I was able to cut my loss very, very quickly because I realized that I got a terrible fill. And I saw that I had a terrible fill, so I flattened my position instantly. live at 9 49.19. 9:49.19. Yeah, so again, with halt levels, what you should do, and I'm glad I was able to cut out with basically no loss, you want to have a limit order. So your limit order would have been at 777. If the price gaps up, comes down, fills your limit order at 777, 778, you get filled, but no higher, and then it continues to rip. So that is, it didn't come back and hit it though. And when the limit order is, when it comes down, like when, here, let me go ahead and, when you have a stock that opens up, you want to get filled on this first candle. On the first or second candle, if your limit order is above the halt level, let's say at 777, you want to get filled in here. After the first or second candle off the halt, take that limit order off the table if this does not come down and fill you. If it does not, it will most likely just kind of come down and then crack like we saw here. Now we're halted to the downside. We have pair halted again. Pair absolutely ripping. They have a price target of 12 bucks, so expect people to start taking profit around 10 to 11. All right, thank you guys for stopping in on TikTok. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Today was not the best trade. I was trying to put a limit order in, or a stop order on IMIX. We're live. They didn't really gap up though. They didn't really gap down, I mean. Looks like IMIX could continue to, might bounce here. I like that really low wick. Let's see. He has 2,000 shares at 771. He might be able to get out for a small loss here at 771. Let's see if it can pop. I would like to see if he can get a pop here. That would be awesome for our man Chevy. So thank you guys so much for stopping in. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Peace. All right, guys. So these order types. There's a couple different order types. Again, for halt strategy, you want to use limit orders. You don't want to use stop limit orders. Now, if the way you can find out a stop limit order is, look, so let's say I have my 50 shares here. We're going to go ahead and be following this price. If it's below the asks, then it becomes a limit. But if it's above, it becomes a stop, meaning that if it breaks above your order, it becomes a mark. If it breaks above the level that you put your stop in, it becomes a market order. And a limit order will fill you at this price or lower. So I won't get filled. If I have a limit order at 714, I will not get filled until it comes down and hits 714 or lower. So if it moves quick, hits my stop, or hits my limit order and continues to come down, then I will continue to get filled. Let's see what this guy Chevy does in chat. Chevy, how long's the halt? He's 2,000 shares at 771. So he was looking to catch the halt right now. He's currently down around 30 cents or so. So let's see if this can get back up for him. There it is. It's getting back. Hopefully he's able to get out. Let's see. Let's see if he's able to get back up to break even. That would be ideal. Again, guys, I am a break-even trader. I'm still new to trading. I've been trading for around 6 months. Only been in the live market since August. been in alpha day trading for a while. Let's see. It looks like you came up to that 760 level. I mean, that was unfortunate. You would just take a small $200 loss there if he was able to get out of there. Let's go ahead and ask him. Let's go ahead and ask him. Let's see what he has to say. I want to see a nice double bottom here, but it looks like we might continue to move lower. Again, we have GNPX ripping, not really ripping, but AF pair halted. Now it's dumping. Halt level to the downsides at 864. BCSA still halted. Not really seeing anything from them. I'm not really too sure if he capitalized on it or not. All right, guys, I do have to cut down the stream. Going to keep the stream in live commentary and scanners and watch lists, anything that comes by to the alpha day trading community. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and hit that link. And if you are interested in getting the course for free plus $50 off or 50% off our membership, use code earlybird2021. Now it's 2021, haven't changed it yet, but the code should still work. I'll give you the course, $500 course for free, and also you do have to buy the yearly, but it works out to be 50% off each month. So thank you guys so much for stopping in, and I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning and covering tomorrow's stocks. Today, again, break even trade. I didn't follow my rules. That's why I did not become profitable, or else I would still be trading because I didn't follow my rules. My rules is one of my rules was I don't set stop orders for halt strategies, and I was able to get out I was able to get out with the scare of getting filled out at the high, but I didn't take the loss because I was able to get out pretty quick. So thank you guys. I hope you had a wonderful holiday, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning.